Hey, this is Susie Summers. This is my new gorgeous Toastmaster chic shine as anything anybody would ever want for Christmas. And you can toast up some gorgeous bread and you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 times. 2 slices of bread. That's new. It's just gorgeous. And look at that down there, over there. You can just adjust the heat of the toaster to see how much you want. I mean, you can have some white toast just so it's extra crispy, and you can have some black toast just so it's like frying a marshmallow. And, you know, when it's done, just like that, okay, look at its beautiful, gorgeous brownies. It's just a perfect breakfast. Bread is a nutritious part of this new meal, and bread is a necessity for everyone. I mean, who can't live without bread? Not me. So this is my new Toastmaster. It's shiny, and gorgeous, and you want it. I want it. Here you go, Susie. Here's some bread.
But I want it toast. This stupid bread, I don't want it.
I'm sorry, Susie. Well, with my new Toastmaster, anything is possible. You can have a quick, new, nutritious meal in about a couple seconds. Here you go.
It's so good.
I mean, come on, guys. Kids everywhere are suffering from unhealthy breakfast. It's just not a good thing. I mean, you can't just have regular bread. But with my new Toastmaster, you can have gorgeous toast. Delectable, delicious, consumable toast.
My kids when I give them regular bread. Ah.
There's 5 reasons right there that you should choose my new brilliant, gorgeous Toastmaster. Everybody wants it. It's the new hot deal. But this is why. Because there are brilliant toast. It's delectable, delicious, consumable. Every kid in the world wants it, even you. I mean, when you're on the go and you need a quick meal, this is brilliant toast ready to go in a few seconds. It's gorgeous and shiny. It's a beautiful, beautiful Christmas gift. I mean, just 2 pieces of bread.